Who's the big boy? Who's the big boy, Mr. Dean? You big boy? Huh? Talk to Daddy. You see the moon? Tell Grandpa. Tell Grandpa you see the moon. What you think about it, Dad?
I think it be.
I think it be. You the cheese man?
I just hold cheese holder.
Cheese holder? You're not gonna place it on there?
I can when you're ready for it.